Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Delightful Creations. I'm Amber, and today I'm really happy to share with you a fall journal digital kit that I have designed and created. I'm super happy with all of my hard work. I spent an hour every day for 30 days working on this and figuring out how to use different programs and formats, and yeah, it was a whole learning curve. So I wanted to share with you the kit that I designed. It has 10 pages, I believe, and 4 pages of ephemera, and I'm going to show you on this one. First, I have a couple of pages that I didn't like, which this is one of them. I mean, I love the collage, but it's too muted. I don't like the darkness of it. I wanted it to be a little more vibrant, and then I also don't like that there's lines going up and down here that I tried to make like a wood grain fence. And so once I had exited the program, I wasn't able to go back and undo those changes, so I have to like literally recreate this whole page, and it took a long time for this one page, maybe even over an hour. But anyway, so this one is not in my kit. And then I spent a very long time, I really wanted some, I called them scarecrow girls. I really wanted some cute little girls in this kit to be more of a mix between vintage and modern. And I worked really hard on this page. I really just didn't like how vibrant and pink and orange it was. I don't mind the hay bale with the pumpkins, think that's super cute, but I don't like these girls. And so this one is not in there. But I am going to upload this one to my Pixabay account, so I'll link that down below, and you can go and grab this one for free for yourselves if it's something you would like to craft with, which I do like it. I just don't like it. It doesn't work with this particular kit. So this was supposed to be a background page, which is almost the same as the previous page, but again, it's just too pink and too orange. This kit actually turned out to be more of an autumn kit with a subtle orange and browns. And it's an Autumn Dream, which is a very old vintage book. And then there's Modern Twist. And so you know right away, this is going to be an interesting, really pretty, gentle fall, autumn journal. So I'm excited. I love this page. And then on this page, for some reason, I really liked this rooster. And I know it's kind of like farm, but I don't know. I just really like this rooster. I thought he was so handsome. And we don't have a farm or chickens or anything like that, but anyways, I decided I didn't like him looking this way, and I had already printed this page, and so I was doing test prints, and I was tired of just wasting ink. And so I just went ahead and flipped him the other way, which is on this paper here, and I used nicer paper to print. This is just 20-pound cardstock, like test papers, and this is the nicer 28-pound, really soft and smooth. So it's the same image, he's just facing the other way. Now, I wanted to tell you that I am going to be doing a hidden giveaway in this video. If you would like to receive a mailed copy anywhere in the world, doesn't matter to me, a physical copy of this journal kit, which is right over here. All the pages are in here. Leave a comment down below with the word rooster on this video, and then I will go ahead and draw the hidden giveaway winner for that video on October 12th. Thursday, October 12th. Okay, first thing in the morning, I'll draw a winner, the random comment picker, and I'll give you the details of how to contact me so I can get your mailing address and mail this out to you. All right, so we have the rooster page. He's handsome. And then I have this one. Oh my gosh, I love this one. It's so cute. I love the deer because he's so sweet. Isn't he sweet? And then the vintage robin from a book page. And this one I used vintage paper in the background with text in the background, and then there's a little notch here. So there's 3 pages that have the same kind of tattered background with notches here, and I thought on mine I would turn, since you can't journal on this one, I thought I would turn it into a pocket page. It's already kind of notched there for you, so that just gave me the idea to make it a pocket page. Now this one can totally add a pocket or journal up here or add a journaling card or whatever you want to do. That was just my thought for this particular page on that side. And then next I have a more open spaced one. Again, it's the same background paper. It has a squirrel and an owl. I love him. He's so like, ooh, he's so fallish. Very old images. And I wanted it to play well with the more modern stuff. So like these flowers here, this edging is a more modern feel, but I think it works really well. I muted the colors down a lot, and I cut it down to fit the page, and I think it looks really good. And then next I have my writing paper. I like my lines. I like to be able to journal on lines. And so this one has a kind of, I try to have, not all of them have a vinaigrette or an edging or an inking around the edge. Just helps to save on time, first of all, so I don't have to go around and ink every page. And also it just makes it look nice. And I was debating on whether or not I should put the line of ink down the center. And I was like, no, because then you can't use this for a center in any of your journals. I think it would look funny with the big dark line down the middle, but it would look nice if it was an outside page where you would fold it. So anyways, I have Mr. Fox here. I love him. He's so cute. And cowboy boots with a pumpkin. So awesome. Happy with that. Another writing page with just vintage flowers. I don't know what kind of flowers these are. Don't remember. I feel like these are lilies. Pretty sure. These ones, they might be lilies too, actually, now that I look at it. But it's the same as that one. It's just a little bit less on the vinaigrette around the edging, just so it just looks a little bit different, but very similar. And then after that page, I have just a background page, which is the same as the front. It just doesn't have the corners or the center, and then it has a little bit more darker wood grain and dots, because I think that looks really nice together. And so this is a page that you could print on every background or just have extra of it. I just think it's a nice pattern to have. And then this one is a fall leaf pattern. I'm super happy. I think it's adorable. I love the heart cutout on the leaf. And then there is some vintage text in the background. And then again, we're trying to ink the edges, vinaigrette them. Final page is my absolute favorite. I love it the most. I like the polka dots. And then the whole openness of it being so you can journal inside or put photos and just make it your own. I'm so happy with this. I love the lantern. There's a lantern on here with a couple of florals and then a doily in the background. And this one I didn't ink the edge. I didn't go around the edge on this one. And I was trying to make this page when I was making the pink and orange page, and I was like, no, there's no way I can make these two work together. I don't like it. See, it's clashy. But I love this page so much, and so this is what I based the kit off of. Final thing here are our ephemera pages. So I created 4 pockets, and then I made 6 big buttons, and I actually pulled these colors from the kit so they do coordinate, they do match, and I'm very happy with that. And the Mr. Scarecrow is not on a page because I couldn't find a way to make him not look just weirdly sitting there. I didn't like him on a page, but everything else is on a page in the kit. And then I think for the next time, if I design another digital kit with pockets, I might just kind of hack these corners so it folds a little bit better. And again, when we get to playing with this, which I'm so excited for, I can't wait, I might not even use gusseted pockets, so totally an option there too. And then I have a whole page of different size of tags that coordinate with this. And I love the colors, and just that some of them I tried to ink just again to save time, but I know once you cut them out, they're going to have that white and you're going to have to ink them anyways, but just trying to think ahead. Trying to be smart with my crafting. Okay, and then my next page of ephemera, I'm so happy with. So cute. Look at this. Yay! I have another Scarecrow guy, and I decided to put the pumpkin down here to kind of just ground him to the ground, and I think he looks super cute. And then we have a sweater weather fox with his apples. Just sweet. Isn't he sweet? A couple of circles, because those are easy to cut out and they look nice for decorating. A little bit different. I think the buttons actually might be a little bigger, but yeah, we'll figure that out. And then banners, because I like banners. They're easy to go, and sometimes I forget to actually make them, and I like using them. So a couple banners. And then finally, journal cards. So this is the top row of 3 vintage images, and then the bottom row is more of the modern, and I just chose my favorite. So the deer, a pumpkin, and then of course the lantern was so sweet. So this is what I've been working on in the background and why I have not been crafting. It's taken up my craft time to create this, but I'm very happy with it. And I thank you so much for stopping by and taking a peek at it. Again, if you'd like to be entered to the hidden giveaway, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Thank you, everyone. We'll talk to you really soon. Bye-bye for now.